Hello children, I am Mrs. Tina D'Souza, the class teacher of Standard 4-A. Well, today we are doing the subject EVS-1 and the topic is air, which is chapter number 9. Okay children, now can you tell me what are the people in these pictures doing? In the first picture, can you see that the man is filling air in his cycle tire? And in the second picture, what do we see, children? Yes, we see the boy blowing air in the balloon. And in the third picture, the boy is filling air in the car tire. Okay, let's do some activity now, children. Take some water in a big container like a bucket and take a small narrow container, for example a mug. Hold it upside down on the surface of the water and without tilting it, push it down into the water. See, can you see how I am pushing the mug down? Now allow it to tilt. What do you see, children? We see bubbles rise up at once to the top. And what does this tell us? Air is lighter than water. So, air bubbles rise to the top as soon as the container is tilted. Did you see that, children? It means that there is air even in the container that appeared to be empty. So now let us learn about the atmosphere. Children, the earth on which we live is round in shape like a ball, isn't it? There is air all around the earth. This covering of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. As we go away from the earth, the layers of air become thinner. That is, the layers of air closest to the earth are very close to each other, while the ones at higher levels are not so close. The air at greater heights is rare. That means the air becomes thinner and thinner as we go higher and higher. Okay, here's another activity for you children. Let's try this. Take a slightly deep dish like a saucer and stand a candle at its center. Pour little water in the dish. Now children, I have mixed a little yellow color in the water because as water is transparent, you will not be able to see it very clearly. That's why I have added some color. Can you all see water in the dish? Yes, good. Now children, we need to light the candle. Now place a glass tumbler over the candle. What do you see, children? Soon the candle goes out and the level of water inside the tumbler has risen up a certain level. Why does this happen now, children? One of the constituents of air, which is oxygen, and oxygen is present in the air. What has happened to that oxygen in the air? It has been used up when the water rises in the tumbler. When that constituent is finished, the candle goes out and the water level too has stopped rising. The Earth's atmosphere is made of air. The circle in this picture shows all the air in the atmosphere. If we divide the circle into 5 equal parts, then the oxygen in the air will be equal to one of the parts. Can you all see that? Well, there are several gases present in the air. In other words, air is a mixture of several gases. Now, If we draw a circle to represent air, then the quantity of each gas in the mixture will be shown alongside. Children, as you see that the largest part of air is made up of another kind of gas called nitrogen. As you all know, children, oxygen is of great importance to all of us. For example, plants make their food using air and water in the presence of sunlight. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Another example is the oxygen in the air is used for respiration. That is, we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. And lastly, children, oxygen also helps in burning as well. Hope you all have understood the lesson. So now let's summarize it. Air is present all around us, even in places that appear to be empty. There is a covering of air all around the earth. It is called the atmosphere. The layer of air in the atmosphere close to the earth are pressed closer to each other, while the upper layers are rarer. Air is a mixture of several gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapor are its main constituents. Thank you for listening patiently, children. Bye.